Originally from a mining management background, I'm in a field of study called mineral economics or industrial ecology. I used to specialize in material flow analysis, but now my interests have expanded to include the social systems behind those flows and inversely analyzing the impact of those flows. And in this sense, I specialize in evaluating and designing social systems for a wide range of material resources. In today's terms, I can say that I'm dealing with the circular economy and sustainable production and consumption, and I also deal with consumer behaviors. However, I'm also very knowledgeable about mineral resources due to my original background. Simply put, we are trying to conduct a study that will propose a circular economy model for Saudi Arabia. The solar panel project we are proposing is just a case study of it. Given the country's climate, PV is undoubtedly one of the most critical technologies in Saudi Arabia. On the other hand, when looking at PV hardware, the technology is still improving and changing. And on the other hand, it takes a long time for the panels to break down and become unusable. On the other hand, the value of PV as a material is not very high, which means that recycling is somewhat tricky. Given these factors, bringing in so-called circular strategies such as reusing, remanufacturing, and refurbishing is easy. We will consider models of social systems that include such circular strategies, utilize parameters that include qualitative researches in quantitative simulation models, and analyze from a system engineering perspective what combination of strategies will bring about the desired results. Needless to say, carbon neutrality, the CN, is one objective to be achieved by society as a whole. Still, circular economy is one way to solve various sustainability issues, including CN. There are many definitions, but I define it as keeping resources in the cycle as much as possible and allowing them to exist so that they can be used to their highest value at that time. The latter part of this definition, the highest value, can change depending on the society. So Saudi Arabia has its own form that is suitable for Saudi Arabia, and it can change as we broaden our perspective to include Saudi Arabia, the Middle Eastern countries, and the world as a whole. I would be honored if you could use our joint research as a place to develop human resources through it, not to mention it that the research results will be helpful.